Mas malaki ang lupa nito kaysa usual, pero baka mas mura pa sa inaakala mo. Hindi ito ordinary listing, this is a bank foreclosed property located in Barangay Alapan 2B, Imus, Cavite. And lot, extra space plus mas mataas value. Bidding process, 20,000 reservation fee para makasali. As is where is. Ibig sabihin, kung manalo ka sa bidding, pwede mo makuha below market value. Pero tandaan, pataasan at pagandahan ang offer dito. Check mo to. Lot area, 66 square meter. Malaki na for this price. Floor area, 40 square meter. 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath. Perfect for starting family or pang-investment. Starting bidding price, 2,480,000. Sa laki ng lote at end lot pa, bihira ka na makakita ng ganito sa Imus. At dahil bidding ito, anytime pwede itong makuha ng iba. Ito, sample computation. 20% down payment, 496,000. 80% balance, 1,984,000. 15 years to pay, monthly around 22,000 to 25,000 per month. Estimated required income, 60,000 to 80,000 per month household income. Pwede combine income para mas mataas approval. Transfer of title is not included. As is where is, need mo i-visit ang unit. Bidding, hindi guaranteed, kailangan strategic ang offer. Pero tutulungan namin kayo from viewing hanggang submission. Kung gusto mo ng end lot na malaki ang lupa sa Imus, 20,000 lang para makasali sa bidding. Message now bago ka maunahan. Free house tour assistance available. This is Jinpuik. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.